Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your disk is GPT or MBR in Windows. So before installing Windows or creating a bootable USB with Rufus, it is important to know whether your disk uses GPT or MBR. In this video, I will show you 3 easy methods to check your disk partition style in Windows. So let's start. First, press Windows and X from your keyboard, then click Disk Management. Now select or click on disk 0, then right click on disk 0 and select Properties. Now go to Volume tab. Here you will see partition style. You can see here in my screen it is MBR. If it is formatted as GPT, here you will see under partition style as GPT. Open command prompt as administrator. And now type this command, press enter. Now again type this command and press enter. So here you will see under GPT column, if it is blank, that means it is formatted as MBR, and if it is GPT, then here you will see asterisk or star mark under GPT column. So here in my case it is blank under GPT column, that means it is formatted as a MBR partition style. Now let's go to method 3. Go to or click on Start and search PowerShell. Right click the PowerShell and open PowerShell as Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now type this command under PowerShell window and press enter. Now here you will see details of my disks. So on the last column you will see total size partition style. So under partition style column you can see here clearly that is MBR. If it is GPT, then here you will see written as GPT. So if you are a beginner, disk management is the easiest method. If you prefer using command, DiskPart is the fastest. PowerShell is also simple and clearly display the partition style. That's how you can check whether your disk uses GPT or MBR using 3 different methods in Windows. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.